Hey friends, if you wish to download and use Google Drive on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, I'm very doubtful that there is any app for Google Drive, but still let us check it on the Microsoft Store. Even if it does not exist here, there can be an app, but I'm still very doubtful about it. So there isn't. So we will go to drive.google.com on Microsoft Edge, not any other browser, on Microsoft Edge. Then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select More Tools, Apps, and install the site as an app. Name it Google Drive. Click on Install, and then you can create desktop shortcut and then allow. Okay. And then you can access it from here directly and then log into Google Drive and use it. Other than this, you can also search for it in the Windows search bar and open Google Drive app from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.